Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make your own computer. Right, so this is an ATX case with a power supply in. So, as you can see, it should say there somewhere. I think it's a 230. Okay, so I've got a motherboard which is out of a old computer, and 2 RAM sticks and a hard drive. So let's start. So first thing is, just get the back plate and just put that on here. So that'll just go straight in, like so. And as you can see, I'm doing it with one hand, so it's a bit difficult. Hang on, I'll put that there. But yeah, that's it now. But I've already put the risers in for the motherboard, so the motherboard should just sit in straight there. Okay, let's start. So this is just a motherboard here. It's actually an old motherboard which I've took out of one of the cases. Okay, so this just goes straight in. Hang on. So just pop it in there. Should see the risers. Yeah, that's it. That's in. Okay. So next thing is just screw all the holes. Okay. So just put all the holes in with these little screws. Yeah. There should be about 8 altogether. Okay.